Hey there, it's Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all know what this is. We have the new Black History Month collection from Erin Condren. The folks over there were very kind enough to send me a few items to show you guys and review, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna love them. I did get a chance to preview a few of the artists and their work, and I'm pretty excited here. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. So I have this card here that did come with the box, and obviously it's something I can share. And it says, New Black History Month collection. In honor of Black History Month, we'd like to introduce you to 4 new inspiring partner artists. 35% of the net proceeds from these designs will be donated to Black Girls Code through February 2021. So we have Miss Allison Ford. It says Allison is an abstract and collage artist, family woman, and lawyer who enjoys working with acrylics, graphite, paper, and more to create highly textured pieces. And her collection is called Abundance of Joy. And then we have Miss Charity Ekpo, and it says Charity is a designer, illustrator, and lettering artist who designed Amazing to fill the world with more positive messaging around how amazing Black people are. Her collection is titled Amazing. Then we have DM Smith, and it says DM is a graphic designer at Erin Condren who turned her lifelong passion for creativity and the arts into a career. Her delightful design is inspired by the beauty and biodiversity of Africa. Her collection is titled Birds of Paradise. And last but not least, we have Jessica Shannon, and it says Jessica is a digital illustrator with a passion for spreading joy and light. Her art is inspired by the resiliency, vulnerability, and splendor of Black women. And her collection is titled Lift Your Voice. Down here at the bottom, it says Black Girls Code is a nonprofit organization on a mission to give underprivileged girls a chance to become tomorrow's masters of tech. I love that. Y'all, I'm so excited to get into this box. So let's go ahead and do it. So I have it off here to the side because it's a pretty decent sized box and we want to be able to get everything out of here. So pretty. Box of goodies. First things first, it looks like we have some greeting cards. So this is the Birds of Paradise collection. This is the Amazing collection. And this is the Lift Your Voice collection. So let me open these up and see if these are greeting cards, like I think they are. Or are these portraits? Oh, these are yeah. These are portraits, and this back part is just to keep them stiff. So this is the Birds of Paradise, y'all. The texture on this is so awesome. So that's Birds of Paradise. And then we have Amazing. Oh, the texture. Oh my goodness. You've got to give Erin Condren their props. Paper quality. Last but not least, we have Lift Your Voice. Y'all, I'm not picking favorites. I am not. But this is most definitely going into my planner somehow for Black History Month. They all will. I just already have ideas on this one. This is gorgeous, y'all. So, these are prints. Next in the box, I have a desk calendar with acrylic stand. This is kind of awesome, and it's pretty hefty, and it says, I don't know where that's supposed to be. It says 12 5x7 monthly calendar cards and 1 acrylic stand. I don't see any monthly cards unless I'm missing something. So let's get into this. No tools. Okay. Oh, this is the stand. Okay. Let's open this up. go together, but how? Oh, is that right? Oh, okay, so this needs to go this way, so this needs to go this way. Interesting. Okay, we got it, y'all, but we are missing the monthly calendar cards. I surely don't see them here. So let's see if they're in the box. Nope. Okay, so this is the acrylic stand. This is pretty cool, y'all. I think I'll definitely be using this. Okay, so next we have the covers. Y'all, this Birds of Paradise is so vibrant and so pretty. And while I don't use my Erin Condren planner anymore, which I have been eyeballing again, I can use them for my notebook. So we have that one, and then we have Lift Your Voice. And she is too lit, okay? Front and back. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then, as we get to the bottom of the box, ooh, we've got notebooks, y'all. So we've got 2 classic line notebooks. This one has the Abundance of Joy print by Allison, and this one has the Amazing print by Charity. They are both classic line notebooks. This one has a gold coil, a silver coil, or I think they call it platinum. It's called platinum over at Erin Condren. So we've got the great, awesome, amazing quality paper, the front, inside of the front cover, inside of the back cover. Do we have stickers? We got stickers. And then the back cover. And then we have the Abundance of Joy. There's the inside cover. More stickers. And there's the inside of the back cover and the back cover. So guys, this is a collection of the items that were sent to me by Erin Condren. I loved receiving this box, and I can't wait to put these items to use. Y'all, please, there's a link down below in the description box so that you can shop this collection. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Thank you to Tori and Samantha over at Erin Condren, along with the artists that were included in the collaboration and all of the wonderful people that were packing orders so quickly to get them out to us. Thank you so much. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.